Hi everyone, you're watching Shortcut to Shortcut. In this video, we'll take a look at how to edit a particular video recording and make sure that it aligns in the center. So this is a very niche sort of tip, but I hope you like it. Alright, so let's say in this video, what we have here is a recording of myself, and let's say I want to center align me in this particular frame. What you can do, you can select that particular clip, go to filters, and then add a filter called crop source. Now this is important. You don't need any other crop, you just need the crop source. And now when you do the crop source, let's say if I want to place myself a little bit to the right, because so that it aligns perfectly in the center of the circle, what I can do is I can play around with these values, which is the left and right. So if I increase these values, you can see that it's actually moving to the left more, which I don't want. So I can reset this, bring it back to what it was, then click on the right one and then increase the pixels so that it moves a bit to the right. Now at 70 pixels, I can see that it is more or less in the center of the circle, which is what I was aiming for. Now you can play around with all of these values. In fact, you can play around with bottom, with the top. As you can see, things start moving. The underlying video actually gets moved to one of these directions, and then you can use these values to adjust or frame the video correctly in the center or whatever alignment you're looking for. So that was a really quick video on cropping the source of the video itself so that you can adjust that alignment of that video to your preference. In this particular video, we looked at center aligning the video in the center of the circle, but of course your preference might be a bit different. But hey, you can use the crop source filter to achieve this result. I hope you'd really like this video. Do give it a thumbs up, do comment down below, and share this video with your network. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's it folks, bye for now.